Hi. And what is going on, everybody? Dad Bod Season here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, in case you couldn't tell by the thumbnail, we got some new stuff in, and it's time to put it on. So, first things first, we're gonna take the old Subi, take it outside, probably get the last cold start with stock mufflers on it. So, that's pretty exciting. I'm very excited for it, at least. But anyway, oh, she's kind of dirty. Maybe we'll clean her up tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. But we're going to do the last cold start with it. Then we're going to install the awesome exhaust kit that I have coming in. And yeah, get this thing on. But I have to turn this thing around so I can back it up on the ramps. But before we start with any of that, I want to let you guys know, and well, not know, but remind you about the giveaway we have going on. The giveaway is still going on until the 16th, so get your stuff. It's 1 week left. Get anything and everything you can off of the Dad Bod Season merch page. And if you don't get anything off there, which I highly suggest you do, make sure you subscribe. If you subscribe, then you can pick out a t-shirt or a sweatshirt if you win, if you're the one subscriber that wins the contest. So all you have to do is subscribe. You get automatically put into a raffle, and the winner gets a free t-shirt and a free sweatshirt. So go on the website, make sure you check it out, see which one you want, scout which ones you want, and if you see anything else that you like on there, why don't you go ahead and get it ahead of time. No big deal. You can never go wrong, never have enough. So make sure you go check that out, and we will see one lucky winner. I will announce it at the end of a video, more than likely, and hit the subscriber watches the video, so you gotta watch the video and find out if you won. Just comment below, say, hey, that's me, and then we will figure out what we're going to do to get you the merchandise, get it all picked out for you, exactly what you want, and we'll get it shipped directly to you. So, with all that being said, let's start this video, baby. Another rainy day in PA. Oh. Hello, beautiful. I wonder what's inside. Okay, Reggie. You want to open up the new toy? You want to open up the new toy? Come on, help me out. Come on. Ready? What is it? Yeah. Are you excited? Are you excited? And it's a good reason for her to be excited, because we got some new exhaust for the Subi. It's awesome. All right, so took this guy out. This one's still in there. Looking at what we got in the box. A nice installation kit. License plate bracket. Okay. Got gaskets, everything you need. She's got her keys. She's ready to rock. Bella's back there just waking up. So, yeah. Hey, Reckon, what do you say it's time for you to take a nap so that I can put this on? Oh, no, she just wants the cat. Okay. Oh, no. No. Oh, yeah. It's going to be fun. Okay, so no matter how sketchy that was, doing it by myself, don't recommend that, but it worked. Everything worked. So first we're gonna start off by bolting this right here. There's 2 bolts for 14 millimeters. You're gonna need a deep socket in the back, and you need a regular wrench for the front. Before I go ahead and get started on this thing, if you're wondering where my little helper is, it is for nap time. So yeah. So she's up taking a nap. I got the baby monitor right here, and just making sure she's all good. All right, now we got this all disconnected. Now we got to take it off the hangers. So now that we got the passenger side off, look at the comparison. Look at the tips. Stock, not stock. I mean, look at the size of the muffler on this thing. Like, let me give you some representation. There's my hand. This thing is, like, that's my whole forearm. This thing is massive. Definitely very restrictive. So we're gonna open her up. Oh, she's just so pretty. Ooh! All right, so next we're gonna put these rubber hangers on, and they go right back to where you took the last ones off. The stock ones. So yeah, I'm gonna fight with this for a little bit because they're tight, and I'll show you when it's done. Alrighty, so I got there's 2 in there. I'm gonna go ahead and slide the gasket in. Now the easiest way to do this is put the bolt in one side here. Okay, get it already going through that gasket, and you drop it to the bottom one. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. So you push in the gasket, get all 3 to line up, and we're lined up. And then just go ahead and hand tighten these things on. Put the nuts on, hand tight. Because depending on once you get it in what position, you're gonna move this around, move the actual exhaust around, and see what it looks like from the back, and make sure that's what you want. So I'll go ahead and tighten these things down real quick, and then we'll move on to the other side. All right, so once you get these tightened down, you want to make sure you tighten them down pretty good, because you don't want any exhaust leaks coming out through here. So you want that gasket to actually fill up every little air pocket. So I mean, don't sit there and strip it out, but tighten it down as good as you can get without using like an impact gun or something like that. All right, so now we're just going to repeat the process that we did on that side over there on this side. So pretty simple, nothing too special. Now you can take the hangers off from the top, so from the actual car versus the muffler part. I prefer to take the muffler out first and then take the hangers out. I just feel like that's easier. That was the easier way for me to do it. But if you'd like to do it the other way, more power to you. So, definitely recommend WD-40. If not, recommend steroids. Just kidding, but hit the gym like for 6 months before you do this, because even though I am in peak dad bod performance, if you're not at peak performance in your dad bod, then it'll give you some struggles. I'm just breathing heavy, cause yeah, I want it to be scared, not because I was struggling at all. So yeah. Finally out. Okay, well now that escapade's done, I want to tell you one other tip. It's kind of a little secret I learned when I used to work construction. I was right in high school, just out of high school, I worked construction. My boss told me one secret I've taken with me forever. Every tool, such as this, is a hammer. Some hammers are just way more expensive than others. And with that being said, here's my hammer. All right, well, now we're finishing up here. I'm going to play you a real quick clip of it before this is on. Again, just to start up. And now, obviously that one was a cold start. That's gonna be before this. And I can't really do a cold start now since I already technically started it. But my next video will have the first cold start with this exhaust on. But all right, let's start her on up. Here is the first start with the stock mufflers on. Real quick, you go under here. Once you got it all started up, put your hand around, see if you feel any air coming through. If you do, just means you have to tighten it up more. Wow, what a difference. What a difference the no mufflers makes. It sounds awesome. I can't wait to drive it. Put the windows down so we can hear it. Oh yeah. All right, so in case you guys haven't noticed, checking out the new POV cam. Oh, just listen to that. Oh, just listen to it. All right. Oh, it sounds so much better. This is wild, honestly. The only thing I don't like about it is you really can't hear the blow off now, but we'll see once we actually build some boost back here. I'm not gonna get into the car too much because obviously it's raining out right now. Oh my god. Alright, let's see what it's like. Okay, on the inside, it's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. Hitting up some of these back roads. I mean, I can still think. I'm not sure how well the camera's gonna pick that up. But, yeah, I mean, it's really not bad at all, actually. Oh, it popped. Oh, that was the first pop. I hope you guys could hear that. Oh boy. Okay, what we got here? This is why the cars stay dirty. The Amish. The Amish around here. Yes, I said Amish, not Amish. I call them Amish. This is why our cars stay dirty. All right, let me just go on over here. I'm gonna bang a Yui real quick. Alrighty. It's so much more fun. It's not even like it's faster. It's just before it was like you're riding in a car that you'd be on it and you'd be like, wow, is that it? Like, is that revved out? Now you just hear it. You hear that boxer rumble. It is perfect. And side note for everyone that is saying, oh, well, you can't be running that stage 2 for map off the shelf tune. It's not gonna work. Really? Look at that. Numbers are reading perfectly fine. Oh, dude, I am beyond happy right now. Let's do one more. Let's put the back windows down a little bit and the front ones down a little bit. Oh, review is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It's not too loud, it's not too quiet. This is perfect. This is perfect. Did you hear that? So with all that being said, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. And yeah, this exhaust, perfect. Oh, it looks so good. Now it's dirty, but you know, we'll have this thing washed tomorrow. And the next video, you guys need to stay tuned. It is a big one. It is a very, very, very big one. Yeah, I mean, that's all I can say right now. Very big. It's going to be a ton of fun. You guys are definitely going to enjoy it. I am so happy that I am able to have this exhaust on for this content that is coming up as the next video. So with all that being said, I'm not going to lead you guys on anymore. Make sure you tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season family. And like always, I hope you all have a great day. Dad Bod Season out.